Tau proteins are naturally unfolded microtubule-associated proteins. And when they deposit abnormally in the brain, they can lead to different diseases, one of which is Alzheimer's, which is a progressive disease. One way of knowing for sure if somebody has an abnormal deposit of tau protein and they have Alzheimer's is to check their cerebrospinal fluid, because there's abnormal amounts or excessive amounts if you do have tau protein. Another test is to use tau protein as biomarkers, basically testing for p-tau, which is phosphorylated tau protein, and t-tau, which is the normal way it shows up in the human brain and body. If tau protein is phosphorylated, which means that phosphates have bound to the protein and changed its shape, they're more readily available to deposit because of that change. A study was conducted where 5 football players that had a history of concussions and exhibited signs of cognitive impairments were compared to 5 controls that had similar age, race, dementia family history. Basically, they gave an FDD&P injection to all 10 of the people, and the scans of the football players lit up like a Christmas tree. This is because FDD&P sends signals wherever there's an abundance of tau protein. So when you compared the two scans, the football players were more lit up where there were big deposits. And this is a way of doing a living test to see if there's deposits, because normally with Dr. Amalu's research, we have found out that you can see these deposits using similar tests when you do autopsies. Normally, tau protein stabilizes healthy microtubules, but when phosphate binds to the tau proteins, the protein shapes change and they can no longer stabilize those microtubules, which can lead to cell death.